We are opening a Skybox inaugural edition. Let's see what we get. Harold Presley. Paul Mokeski. Oh, we got a Charles Barkley sighting. Nice. Rex Chapman. Took it to Jordan at least once. John Long. Nate McMillan. Terry Teagle. Sam Perkins. Maybe invented the stretch four position. We got Charles Oakley. Scott Hafner. Jerome Lane. What do we got here? Tyrone Corbin. Rodney McRae. Derek McKee. This guy could probably play every position, honestly. Not great, but he could play it. And Frank Cornett. There we go. That's what we got today.